This is the ninth video for class 10th, the first chapter, that is chemical reaction and equation. In this video, we will study about what is oxidation and reduction reaction. Let's start with oxidation. What is oxidation and how we will define oxidation? Oxidation को हम लोग कैसे define करेंगे? I am writing the definition. The addition, add किया जा रहा है, addition of oxygen to a substance और वर्ड आया है, ध्यान दीजिए, और removal of hydrogen from a substance in a chemical reaction is known as oxidation. किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शन में if oxygen is added, ऑक्सीजन को ऐड किया जाएगा, and removal of hydrogen, and when we remove hydrogen, that kind of reaction is known as oxidation reaction. Clear? Now what is oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent, इसको हम लोग कैसे, how we will define it? We will define it as the substance which either give oxygen or remove hydrogen in a oxidation reaction. In a oxidation reaction is known as oxidizing agent. In a oxidation reaction, oxygen will be added. ऑक्सीजन क्या होगा? ऐड होगा. And hydrogen will be removed. That is oxidation reaction. और वो a substance which add oxygen, give oxygen or remove hydrogen, और लगा हुआ है दो में से कोई एक, then is not that something known as oxidizing agent. Now we will see the second definition, that is reducing agent, reduction and reducing agent. Example, so it may make you clear about each and everything. Just opposite of this one, just opposite of oxidation, that is reduction. इसमें क्या लिखेंगे? The addition, उसमें क्या था? ऑक्सीजन. इसमें लिखेंगे the addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen in a substance. Oxygen, a substance in chemical reaction is known as reduction reaction. Reduction reaction. In this case, reduction, hydrogen will be added and oxygen will be removed. Hydrogen will be added and oxygen will be removed. And what a reducing agent? Reducing agent क्या है? The substance which आइदर गिव हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन देगा, और रिमूव ऑक्सीजन इज इन ए reducing agent, reduction reaction is known as reducing agent. क्लियर? और वो सब्सटेंस जो आपका हाइड्रोजन को देगा या फिर ऑक्सीजन को निकालेगा उसको कहा गया है रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. नाउ वी विल टेक some examples, some activity and try to understand it. In your NCERT book, page number 12, I think in page number 12, sorry, I have to check and see. Yes, in page number 12, activity 1.11, this one. Okay, what we have to do? We have to, in that is taken in a open China dish, but we will make it other apparatus so that only this is a tube and this will be the rubber cork. In it there will be a minute hole, pipe is added, and in this, in a China dish, we will put some copper. Okay, now with the help of burner we will try to heat it, and through this open test tube we will allow oxygen को हम अलाउ करेंगे मूव करने के लिए. It having, now it is allowed, oxygen is allowed to move in this test tube. Then copper will react with oxygen and it will form copper oxide. So क्या बनेगा? Copper oxide. Here will be 2 and here will be 2. Now this is balance. ये balance हो चुका है. In this reaction, इस reaction में क्या हुआ है? Copper is, in copper oxygen is added. Here addition of oxygen, then it is oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. ये क्या है? Oxidation reaction है. Why it is oxidation reaction? क्योंकि कॉपर में ऑक्सीजन को यहाँ पर ऐड किया जा रहा है. That is why it is an oxidation reaction. Now reduction reaction. apparatus को वही रखा जाएगा. अब यहाँ पर क्या बना है? In this the color of copper oxide, that is Cu, is black color. So color क्या होगा? Black हो गया होगा. Now in this, that is copper oxide. अब क्या है? Copper oxide है. And through this, इसी के माध्यम से we will try to allow hydrogen. अब क्या अलाउ करेंगे? हाइड्रोजन to get in. बर्नर से हम लोग हीट करते रहेंगे इसको कंटिन्यूअसली. Then what will happen? इससे पहले क्या है? कॉपर ऑक्साइड है and we are supplying हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्रोजन सप्लाई कर रहे हैं. Then reaction will take place and Cu react with hydrogen and it will form H2O. In this reaction, ये reaction में here from here, you see, oxygen is removed. Oxygen क्या हुआ है? Remove हुआ है. Then removal of oxygen known as reduction reaction. And see this one. Here hydrogen is added. Oh, sorry, oxygen is added. Oxygen will add. This is known as oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction ये हुआ है और this will be just opposite of oxidation, reducing agent. और यह रिडक्शन रिएक्शन है ये वाला, और ये वाला आपका क्या होगा, और रिडक्शन रिएक्शन है तो रिडक्शन का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है, ऑक्सीडेशन, और ये होगा आपका ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट। क्लियर, एक्टिविटी 1.11 इट इज क्लियर हो गया, मुझे उम्मीद है कि यह क्लियर हो गया होगा। नाउ वी विल टेक सम मोर एग्जांपल हाउ an oxidation and reduction reaction takes place and what is reducing agent and oxidizing agent. Now we will take another example that magnesium ribbon we have taken और आपके बुक में भी दिया है, is allowed to burn in the presence of oxygen, then it will form MgO. Then here एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन दैट इज ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन, यहां पर ऑक्सीजन ऐड हुआ है तो ये क्या है, ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन है। नाउ वी विल टेक अनदर एग्जांपल दैट जिंक ऑक्साइड रिएक्टिंग विथ कोक कार्बन, देन व्हाट इट विल फॉर्म ZnN कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड। इन दिस रिएक्शन, इस रिएक्शन में देखते हैं व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन एंड व्हाट इज रिडक्शन रिएक्शन, व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट एंड व्हाट इज रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट। ZnO Zn, इन दिस ऑक्सीजन इज रिमूव, ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हुआ है, देन इट इज रिडक्शन रिएक्शन। नाउ दिस वन ऑक्सीजन ऐड हुआ है, दैट इज ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन। रिडक्शन का उल्टा क्या होता है, ऑक्सीडेशन, और ये हो जाएगा ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट। यहां पर ये ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन है, ऑक्सीडेशन का अपोजिट क्या होता है, रिडक्शन, और ये हो जाएगा आपका रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट। Okay, clear. Now another example, hydrogen sulfide H2S, hydrogen sulfide reacting with sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide that is H2S reacting with sulfur dioxide and it will give आपका देगा sulfur and H2O। बैलेंस करेंगे, while balancing it will be 2 here and 5 sulfur dioxide, leave it, you will balance, you try to balance it, if it अगर ये balance नहीं होगा then I will make it balance। So here H2S and H2S hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide to sulfur, in this oxygen is added, ये ऑक्सीजन क्या हुआ है, ऐड हुआ है, then this is addition हुआ है, that this is oxidizing agent, oxidation reaction, oxidation reaction। Here from sulfur dioxide oxygen is removed, that it is reduction reaction। oxidation reaction from here, oxidation reaction है, then it will be oxidation reaction है, then it will be just opposite of oxidation, reducing agent। reduction opposite oxidation and it will be oxidizing agent। another example, take it, MnO magnesium oxide MnO2 reacting with HCl, what it will form, it will form MnCl plus Cl2 plus H2O. Okay, from Mn and HCl here, then what? HCl with Cl and MnCl. In this reaction oxygen is removed. Oxygen remove होगा, then it will be reducing reaction. Oxygen is removed. Then here hydrogen is removed. Hydrogen removed होगा, then oxidation reaction. One more example. Fe2O3 reacting with 2Al aluminum, it will give 2Fe plus आपका Al2O3, and from this you have to identify what the reaction which is oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, oxidizing agent, and reducing agent. You have to do this one by yourself. Now one more word, that is redox. It is made of two words, that is red and ox. Red comes from reduction and OX from oxidation. और ये दोनों वर्ड से मिलकर के बना है redox. जब कभी whenever any chemical reaction takes place, then whenever oxidation reaction takes place, that means always with that oxidation reaction will be also taking place. That's all about oxidation and reducing reducing reaction. Okay.